Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Perchance AI image generator. First, go to the Perchance AI website. Perchance is a platform for creating and sharing random generators. It works by using simple lists that reference other lists to produce different outputs. For example, when you write pack, it randomly picks an item from a list called pack and replaces it in your text. You can also control how often items appear by adjusting probabilities, so some results show up more than others. You can even import generators made by other users and modify them. It also allows changes in capitalization, plural forms, and tense, which gives more control over how results appear. Now, click on New from the top menu to start exploring. Then click on Generators, where you will see a list of recently updated and popular generators created by other users. You can open any of them to explore or use as a reference. Now go back to the AI image generator section and open the prompt box. Enter a clear and detailed prompt describing what you want the image to look like, including objects, background, lighting, or mood for better results. Next, choose a style from the available list. This helps define the overall look of your image. You can also add effects like lighting, detail enhancement, or artistic filters to improve quality. Then select an art style such as cinematic, realistic, anime, or digital art, depending on the type of image you want. After that, click on Generate. The AI will process your prompt and start creating the image based on your settings. Once it is done, the image will appear on your screen. You can preview it, download it if you like the result, or adjust your prompt, style, or effects and generate again for a better version. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.